Hello, Korean Wedding. My name is Jason Prado. This work is affected by the government, the first resources generating greater poverty and maintaining way to development aways, ranking the country to large companies which only think about creating their products but do not realize the environmental demands caused by technological advance in developed countries. They are necessary because there is a population that has bad habits and does not take care of resources. Perfect migration and population growth effectively wide. World families with 6 children due to population growth. Large cities are forced to paper forests and woodland, create large deforestation, and have no resources to live with. If they do not survey the necessary, government use them of the most powerful in order to be the only economical and again one and independent pressure to create work instead of making alliance and do not take in account the demand the environment is discontent not not for a long time. The planet can eliminate the only legacy we must leave is to be environmentally conscious people. Thank you.